Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Let me use this one to debunk. Sneezing is not a symptom of COVID-19.
It's him.
When
we are okay.
Symptom.
They say, who is simple? Yes,
perfect. Sneezing is not a symptom of COVID-19, according to World Health Organization. But I have three symptoms of sneezing. Coughing. The key is fever. Temperature equals and no say no crano. And sometimes they are normal because of the daily activities that you go through. No temperature with me equals. But when you have a persistent increase in temperature now, and a worrying. However, so again don't go to the hospital. Patch of free. 112. And a face weakness, body weakness. What na kakano breath, any breathlessness. And so. Well, man say patrol again. Sneezing is not a symptom of COVID-19. So bet me boss I deal several times. I be who make me pa. Oh, because you see a bit confront me more. Obi bo wa no so.
And so natural reactions which is good for the body. And as a separate nyoma kakra.
Exactly.
Oh, obi okra na bia aduane no odi na afi o start bowa. Na afi ye tata no ejesi ye hwe context ejize kwa me wo we na unum so na tramo now start bo waka normal eti context very important and some no doso kwa me and some no doso
but obisi me Mr. say why are people being kept at home instead of moving them to hospitals, and they're supposed to be moved away to avoid them staying at home and spreading the disease amongst their family members? Nipanese main check Herald newspaper and 8 coronavirus victims being treated in their homes. Ekufado reviews danger. Maybe I should come back to you, the virologist.
Yes. Me patrol. Me name 8 symptoms. 8 victims now. You treat your move, but before these people are told to stay at home, no, they'll be given instructions. When when we are communicating stuff out there, I'll say reason. I'll say explain it kakraman ko 40 asiye. Because 8 na yenyo moko gu fie no obia oka se omuntene fie nipa no ewo that training ewo that friends information na or the be man ko for exact things also moye abra omuti fie ebi ni say emma efie for email enti uni friends and proper isolation center ewo wo fie honoma they won't keep you there. Yeah, my own fee. So they will have to question and survey. Someone yes are there, which I don't have much first information. Yes are there, then we have a big problem. We have a big problem. However, Patrick, you notice Ghana's system is not all that terrible as we think. We have experts in Ghana, and I believe.
Patrick, you may want to repeat that.
May say the Ghana's system, and our Ghana system is not that terrible. We have experts in the country.
The reason I'm saying this is that. It is part of the trick or part of the weapon or tool we use. And I got into and fear and panic. No, I don't know if I should call them messengers of fear and panic.
I think paranoia.
Yes.
Too much. People are just based on some previous experiences. Obi ekonyano. Yes, obi dwani free tema hospital. Obi awenya COVID-19 odwane. But up to now, I don't know where that information is coming from. But I kind of saw it on social media.
Obi crab dada you fear. Obushe nim dada you and nada no defa mpanyimfo bi so.
Oh.
Na senior musical story no. It sounded so true. Or dada and pennyfo be the dada and kofu be dada in newsroom for me come papa I'm GD say ubi edwane fi hospital
Matis has to
check you know baby information if we couldn't doubt it and ye di tuja I chain you who say asem no entisa but I say Dr. Jimambedu I can't tell me say asemiyaba na media mami producer na me producer Fred Otajima be so Fred Sebastian kwano no krate say Sebastian wadanfo no UK na the information ma so it is difficult for me the journalist at that point not to trust my sources and any wadanfo no UK ka say o do ni nyame say no kre so based on yentemu ne trust issues, the
professional
trust into it. We also put it out.
But
I feel you back check here at the end. I said,
and you're no correct.
I feel over down for you go.
But Kwame, I appreciate your humility, even restating what you did and acknowledging that indeed sometimes the sources you could be misled. However, the quality of checks that you have done. And just to add to what Sebastian
just
said,
before Obako Sebastian on Mpacho, obedi an interesting one about Osre Mekakra Obi Aminimino or say Barracks boy. No, you the fear thing, sneezing to you the fear. But by the way, we the sickle cell people, what measures can we take on more sickle cell? SS4, AS4, or Bisa, any help?
Okay, I think that may short pass or direct question to me. My main studio said me a virologist. We only go your advice via and advice via men can want some cry. But Pacho, there is one major thing that it cuts across, and they say you have to boost the immune system. The sickle cell form, blood production, and a touch macacra. That's the problem they have. And it's no muntain malaria sano. Me pacho, they have to boost the immune vitamin C. And first greens na yakika wasamono. Also mudi enobebre. However, if they can consult the dietitians and nutritionists as to how to boost their immune system. The key here is immune system no. Me pacho me say kebiomo. The here pa immune system. Momu mbohu. Yenya the same on this platform. We have to make sure say your immune system no is strong. So we are so jenny. On our bobo, on our immune system near the strongest in the world. We still preach boosting the immune system. And it's only to me consult dietitians and nutritionists now more advice on what to do to stay healthy.
So the immune system.
The immune system.
The immune system. That is where the issue is. But Dr. Jumabidu, immune system in these times, we have a lot of so-called experts.
Yes.
So-called know-it-all people. A bit the suggestions about Fedroway, Toway, Farway, Medro Naye. I'm sure so will be. But what do we do?
Niedika in the American say, Basea, Kwame Edika can say fake news. And once again, you're careful, baby, I ever source information free. And Rana Mayereka says, Sisi Kuradi Wabre, and your man walk in the doors. And I'm catching Mira Jada Kwanse. Or baby as a source information free. WHO website is there. Ghana Health Service website is there. Well, don't we all have it. You can Google and find out the authentic updates. I also suggest to say yempe specific time wa yebe see a bit news and every hefa. Would Peace FM or KFM all the time as much as possible. 99.99% sources are accurate. Even those that may not be accurate later, meaning they out of humility, more confirm me, more jitum, and more retracting money. We need to follow updates, information on this COVID-19 from credible sources. Yem prevent overexposure to media. And ube to me aboa amia avoid yewe fawe yesi na no kra de ba ko bi ebetomu yesi o upuno de ehiti nsuo de blanket kata ho asa akakaduro ne jene wode yawe Ghana unya we no ano no ensem no doso but nia ya test scientifically ehu ene de atudwa physical distancing and afi so ye make sure say ye hohoro yensa e de samana ene insu aye de air running.
Peace FM 104.3 Would you mean